It's gonna snow like all night long. Like all day tomorrow. We're gonna get a lot of snow. Oh, here comes Murray. You enjoying this? Mm-hmm. Was that a little birdie? The dogs are gonna chase. There's McGarrett. There's McGarrett. Wanna bother him? Let's go check on these chickies. Stay nice and warm. Yeah. It's really warm in here. The duckies, and then it looks like there's an egg. I thought I put Atticus Jr. in here. I was like, I don't see him. Oh, look at Elsa. My girl. And Atticus. I guess Elsa took Atticus Jr.'s spot. Yeah. There's the duckies. Let's go check on the other duckies. And chickens and guineas, because all the guineas are on this one. Okay, how you guys doing? All the guineas and the ducks. No one's up there. I can't believe that. Can't believe that. Any more eggs? There's someone in there. He said on some eggs, keeping them warm so they don't freeze. Yeah. They staying warm. Tasting toasty. Who's that? Oh, that's Beckett. Castle's not up here. He's probably on that back one right there. He likes to be in that nesting box. And there's my beautiful Destiny. The dog's waiting for me to start playing with them. Yes. Look at all the snow. And this is definitely... Oh, it's not frozen. Take a minute. There's Castle. There's an egg. Come on, Daddy. Yeah, there's an egg. I think that was laid from Brownie. You see the snow? But you're not getting snowed on? Don't you fly out, girl. They will fly out. They kind of like the snow, but it's way too cold. Yes, they can eat the snow. They love eating snow. Don't you fly out, girl. Daddy, you're too old. Am I spilling a little snow? Yeah. Gotta close them. Gotta close them. Okay, girl. You've been dying to get that, haven't you?